Idaho, Plumbing Contractor Bond. What is a plumbing contractor bond? A plumbing contractor bond is a type of surety bond required by the state of Idaho for individuals or companies engaged in plumbing contracting services. In simple terms, it acts as a form of protection for the state and consumers against any potential financial harm caused by the actions of the contractor. Purpose of the bond. The primary purpose of the plumbing contractor bond is to ensure that contractors adhere to state regulations and fulfill their contractual obligations. By obtaining this bond, contractors agree to operate ethically and within the confines of the law. In the event of any violations or breaches of contract, the bond provides a financial remedy for affected parties. How does it work? Let's break down how the plumbing contractor bond works. Requirement. Before obtaining a plumbing contractor license in Idaho, applicants must acquire a $2,000 bond from a surety bond provider. Coverage. The bond serves as a guarantee that the contractor will comply with state regulations and fulfill their contractual obligations. If the contractor fails to do so, the bond can be used to compensate affected parties, such as clients or the state. Claims process. If a consumer or the state believes that the contractor has violated regulations or failed to fulfill their obligations, they can file a claim against the bond. The surety bond provider will investigate the claim to determine its validity. Resolution. If the claim is found to be valid, the surety bond provider will compensate the claimant up to the bond amount. The contractor is then responsible for reimbursing the surety for the amount paid out, along with any associated fees or penalties. Why is it required? The requirement for plumbing contractors to obtain a bond serves several important purposes. Consumer protection. The bond provides a layer of protection for consumers against potential financial losses resulting from contractor negligence, misconduct, or breach of contract. Regulatory compliance. By mandating the bond, the state ensures that contractors operate in accordance with established regulations and standards. This helps maintain integrity within the plumbing industry and safeguards the interests of both consumers and legitimate contractors. Financial responsibility. Acquiring a bond demonstrates the contractor's financial responsibility and commitment to conducting business ethically. It reassures clients and regulatory authorities that the contractor is capable of fulfilling their obligations. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.